Hey guys, this is a 1938 or a 39 model of a Chevrolet Master Deluxe Coupe. It is a sedan. And before I start this video, thanks to Autobling. So this is the engine compartment of the vehicle. It's an inline 6 cylinder, a 3.4 liter diesel which puts out a staggering 110 horsepower. As we move towards the front, it has this huge bonnet, and this is a partially restored car. It's soon going to be completed with this lovely orange. It looks jet. This thing, many of you get confused. This is for filling the radiator with new water, and this is a carburetor, the engine compartment, some electronics, inline 6 as I said, 1939 model radiator with a fan, huge fenders, and then this is the door, this is the interior. The speedo shows max speed of 100 kilometers an hour, and the interior is completely new, it's completely restored. So, again, outside it has got these lovely door locks, and I'll tell you a surprise soon. As we move towards the back, because this is a limousine, this is a spare tire, this is a limousine, so it must have lots of boot space. So it has this lovely headlamps, and this is a fuel filler cap aftermarket, and it is extended at the back to accommodate more luggage. And again, the lights, these are all stock lights, and yes, huge fenders, and the wheels are awesome, white wall tires, retro style, and this is the overall shape of the body. And we go in from the passenger side, nice finish, nice color, English white, and I've opened the door. This is the front passenger side. All are factory except the carpets, they are new, and the seats, they're just so plush. The interior and the exterior color match so well. Red, it's awesome. New headliners, new steering wheel covers, and we go to the back door. And this has got the suicide doors. Yes, you heard it right. Suicide doors in 1938. New carpets. In 1938, this car had some of the most advanced features. This car sold for 3,895 rupees in India ex showroom uh, in 1938, and this is the most luxurious car to be sold in India back in the day. So, this is some kind of lock for the window. It's not working now, it's still not restored. And we move towards the front. Huge front fenders, it's just so huge. Big, big lights, it's seriously very big. And a big grill, the biggest grill I've ever seen in my life. So, this is the driver's side. I'm entering in. So, lock, and the rear, driver's side rear, and this is the window. It works very well. It's so smooth. So, again, the wheels, the big wheels. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hey guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and this is my first ever car review video, and that was the 1938 Chevrolet Master Deluxe Coupe. It is the 38 or the 39 model that has come for restoration. So, this was made possible because of the cooperation given by Autobling Cars Limited. They specialize in car cleaning, detailing, and all stuff. So, go check their workshop out if you live in or around our Nagar. I'll give the I'll give the address in the description below. If you like it, check it out. And again, I extend my thanks to Autoblade Cars. Thank you.